What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the MGM Grand Hotel Casino in Las Vegas. Gonna do a walkthrough IRL. No special editing, just giving you guys my little POV, point of view. It really is grand in here. So, you know, this isn't even the original site of the MGM Grand. The original site of the MGM is currently the Horseshoe. That used to be the MGM. Let's see. Oh, where's the casino? Let's see, a casino lobby that way. Grand Garden Arena. Netflix Bites is in here. I forgot about that. For anybody listening in, I am not purposely trying to play Backstreet Boys. That's just what's being played in the radio system here. Look at that Krispy Kreme, guys. Oh, yeah, it does. It kind of reminds me of the one in Circus, but no, this is just like pre-boxed donuts from Krispy Kreme. Look at that. That's pretty cool. No, it looks like it's a sweeper. Probably, it's kind of cool. Let's see, go stand in front of us now. Because it's entertaining for the camera. Let's go this way. There's the MGM Grand buffet. I guess the sports book would be over here. We got sidetracked by RoboCop over there. Here's the sports book. Oh look, it's only $1 more than Excalibur's. Isn't Excalibur's 31? I gotta say, it's pretty loud in here, this music. Really isn't anybody in here winning, huh? Jabberwockies. There's Netflix bites. You guys are really getting into that menu. I know somebody that would love those. You know, you can put your camera over it and it'll scan it and it'll translate them. It'll translate for you. So, oh yeah. Sherbet fizz.
Butterscotch. Biscoff.
Look at the Kit Kats.
Milk tea.
A cookie dough Kit Kat. Alright, let's go. So let's stick to the casino floor and then we'll wander off. Did you touch something? These are little high limits. Let's take a peek here. Let's see, what is a high limit? Oh, $1. I don't know. I would think the high limits would be a little bit more than $1, but I guess you can technically pick whatever you want. Yeah, they got it on a dime. Yeah, just high limits. Yeah. We're leaving in about 10 minutes. Thank you. Is this what they do the live broadcasting? I think it is. That's kind of cool. Poker thing. Live from Las Vegas, the MGM Grand. guess we left the casino floor, huh? Alright, let's go back. He's gone. I just noticed this, it's triple paned. I guess to make it completely soundproof inside of there. It's pretty cool. Let's go that way. Let's go look at that. I just wanted to see this fountain. Very cool. Yep, that's a fountain. Like that? Yeah, I know. I just wanted to see the fountain. $423. Yeah, it is. College basketball crown.
Mom was on her page. She goes, I'm going home. Text again. I'm almost home. Text again. I'm home.
Good. It's not a bad little check-in area. It's pretty big. It's a pretty big front desk, huh? Would you say? Alright. Well guys, I think that's going to do it for the MGM Grand. If you guys enjoy this kind of content, you want to see more, please smash that like button. We'll also let YouTube know to start sharing this video with others. Also, if you guys can go ahead and subscribe, it's absolutely free. Thanks for watching.